Corvette fans for that matter. Look at this beauty here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1970 Chevrolet Corvette, numbers matching LT1, 350 underneath the hood. That's a 370 horsepower engine, 4-speed transmission, and of course LT1 from 1970, not the later model variety. This is a numbers matching engine with power steering, power brakes, of course chrome bumpers front and rear in 1970. Take a look at the condition of that front. Paint shows very well on this car, nicely restored example, and it will come with a 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726, the number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you check out all the still pictures. You can see it's riding in the rally wheels, beauty ring, center cap. When you're looking at the still pictures, look at the underside. See how nicely that is finished. Take a look at the bushings, the sway bars. Newer exhaust. Underside of this car looks as nice as this exterior is. Original Cortez silver car, 986 paint code. Interior, black leather, 403 trim code. And you'll be able to see a picture of the VIN, the stamping on the engine. You'll see the data tag, trim tag that's underneath the dash. That'll all be in the still pictures. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. Black vinyl top, also in very nice shape. We're going to put that up at the end of the video here. Take a look at that, and then remember, stick around to the very end. You're going to see what this car goes down the road like. Take a virtual ride in it, so to speak. I'm going to also show you the fiber optics. When we get in and start it up, let you hear it run. Again, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. Over 100 pictures of this car online. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it see this car yourself, maybe due to time or distance. We do have an open door policy for inspectors, not a problem. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. You can see the paint shows well all the way around in this car. Door panels, nice shape, seating surfaces. Again, original black leather car. As far as interior trim goes, seating surfaces, nice shape, carpeting already done. Does have a tilt column. This one was built in June of '70. Remember, labor strike in 1969 shortened the build dates of the 1970s. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. 6500 Redline LT1 tack. And this car sounds good. You see it fired right up. Seatbelt warning light on. I don't have a seatbelt on. Now, I mentioned fiber optics. Let's check these front lamps out. So I'm going to turn on the headlights here. And it's kind of tough to see. It's a little bit faint. But you can see the orange, very light orange on that one. That would be your marker lights. Let's check the blinkers up front. Blinkers, both sides. There's that. Left. You can see that. Again, it's a little tough in the video. It shows up better in person. Kind of neutral here. High beams. High beams off. Rear tail lamps. Brake lights. Brake lights on. Looks like the license plate is not lit. We'd have to check that. We'll check that when we get out and take a peek at it. Here you can see your headlamps. That's a headlamp light saying it's on. Gauges. Look at this. Clock is even working. There goes the second hand. Oil pressure. Battery. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the water temp to be up. And fuel gauge. And of course the tack was working. Wow. Dash looks good. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it. And we'll take a look at that license plate. Lamp also over back here. Sounds good. No lamp. Maybe that fiber optic's telling us something. Of course, the headlight's working. Let's go ahead and pop this hood and look at the engine bay. Again, power steering, power brake car. Look at this engine bay. Again, it's nice and tight and clean as the rest of the car. Real deal LT1. You're going to be able to see the suffix code on the engine stamp. You're going to be able to see the VIN stamp. Check it out in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see those still pictures. Smooth runner. Not only looks good, this car sounds good. Alright, I'm going to button this back up, turn off the lights, shut her down, close the hood. I'll get that convertible top up for you so you check that out. And then remember, stick around to the end of the video. See what this car is like going down the road. And here it is with the top up. So black vinyl top, of course manual. One person can put it up very simple and quickly. Did roll up the side glass, you can see how that fits in there. Top is in as nice a condition as the rest of the car. Free of rips, tears, holes, nice and tight fit. As you can see along the body, clear rear window, passenger side glass. Not even really discolored, hardly wrinkled at all. Nice fit above the windshield. What you'd expect in this beautiful C3. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 1970, numbers matching, Chevrolet Corvette convertible, that LT1 350 underneath the hood. 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there to all the pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet Corvette. Very nice looking silver color with some black striping on the hood. Black interior with a little bit of wood grain accents. This is a 4-speed on the center console. Radio and wipers are not functioning in this car. Blower motor does work. margin about 3/4 of the way up the cage. Speedometer and tachometer working. Large factory tachometer, very cool. Clutch feels good, shifts nicely and easily. This car doesn't lean much at all in the corners. It corners well. Corvette Convertible from 1970. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.